Hello, this is going to be a quick video to address some issues some people are having with Excel and possibly one error that I found. Number one, you got to follow the directions exactly as it is in the Edgenuity system. Excel is not something that's intuitive. It is not something that the computer will figure out. This is the ultimate WYSIWYG program. What you see is what you get. So one of the problems people are reporting is having to waste time typing up all of this information. There is this table that you're supposed to place into an Excel spreadsheet. They go in, they click paste. Oh geez, it's not working. I'm going to have to type all this. What a waste of time. There's a quick workaround you can do. Open up Word. Paste it here. You'll notice it creates it as a table. The beautiful thing about that is you can take from one Word document into an Excel document and paste the table. Now it's more in an Excel format. You may have to adjust the actual spacing of the cell and the row, but it does save you a whole lot of time. Something else that we're noticing is the issue of flash fill, which it talks about in here. Letter H for the month rainfall. So sometimes when you're actually creating a document or an Excel spreadsheet, you start a format and you realize that you can automate the process of filling in the rest. And some of you have then tried to simply do that on the page that you downloaded. It's not working. Big reason why the directions early on said for you to put this in a separate worksheet. Somehow they monkeyed with the system, and for a lot of you, you will not be able to flash fill on the downloaded item. So simply, once you have in the new document entered that first format, come over into the Data tab, and there's Flash Fill. You'll notice it automatically pastes a whole sequence based on your first two cell groupings to exactly what you need. Again, use the system to make your life a whole lot easier. Let's talk about the second assignment. The second assignment is going to be all about formatting of your Excel spreadsheet. And the big thing that we're having, of course, for students is sum, the sum formula, direction I. There are a couple of ways you can get some good formulas, and always start with the actual system at hand. If you go into the Formula tab and you go into Auto Sum, you will notice down here more functions. You can type a brief description of what you're looking for. You can also search online and find a good sum right there. But sometimes it's as easy as figuring out, okay, this is my initial value, that's E2, simple enough. I know that one column I want to subtract, another column, or cell, excuse me, I want to add. You can simply figure out the formula on your own. Remember, all formulas start with an equal sign, and then you make references to whatever cells that you want to add or subtract. Go back to the directions. If you have any specific questions, please let me know. I want to help. Finally, one additional thing that we had some people with a problem with is naming their range. The directions say that you were to name a range, and if you followed the directions, you probably ran into some problems. So let's go into that real quickly. You will notice that, as the directions say, go into your formulas. It says define name, so I do that, and it says name teacher salaries. And I go to hit OK, and I get an error. I must be doing something wrong. No, I really do believe that the system directions were wrong. Notice I got rid of the space, and all of a sudden now I can name my range. So just a couple of things I wanted to mention for you guys. Hopefully that's going to help you not only achieve this class, but to answer any additional questions you have. Thank you very much, and we'll see you later.